Good evening, this is Giovanni from the Santurce Salsa Club. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on the channel below. Today I want to touch on something very, very, very important when you start dancing salsa, and I call it the golden rule of dancing salsa. When you start dancing, you are gonna make mistake, and that's okay. Do not ever stop dancing. I see too many people, too many beginners argue over that. If you messed up, go with it. Don't stop. Like, you're live, everybody's watching at you. You're doing a performance. Imagine you go into the theater, right? And then the actor goes off script. The actor is not gonna say, "Hey guys, I went off script. Can I go back?" That'll be so boring. Like, nobody will ever go to the theater. Don't do it when you dance. If you messed up, go with it. Go back to the basic, the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, the quick, slow. And then when you're more comfortable again with the rhythm, try again. And if you messed up, just go with it. Also, something that I want to touch base about the golden rule is you don't need to stare at your partner. Something a beginner make that mistake a lot. Trust me, if you did something good, your partners know you don't need to stare at her or him. And if you messed up, you also don't need to stare at them. Just be natural, be relaxed, have your body relaxed, and please, if you mess up, go with the flow. Keep back on the basic rhythm. Do not ever stop. That's it for the golden rule. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on the channel below, and I will talk to you very soon.